Okay, another way of making a piece to move on a board is that looks a little bit more similar to a traditional moving piece, like a chess piece, is to use the revolve tool. So for this we need to do a sketch, select the side, and we need to draw the shape. So I'm going to draw a random shape like this. Okay, but it's only half of it. Come down here and double click to finish. You must have an enclosed space. Okay, stop sketching. There's my shape that I'm going to revolve, and create. There's revolve, like that. Now for this you need a profile, which is what I drew, and you need an axis to revolve it around. So for this, there's my profile. Now for the selection of the axis to revolve around it, and there we have it. We obviously want 360, but as a matter of interest you could have 3/4, but I think 360 is the number to have. Okay, so I'm going to type in 360, it actually did it automatically, and there's my shape. Let's have a look at it, revolve it round. Okay, not happy with that, so I'm going to change it. So escape, and now down here I can go to find my sketch, turn the sketch on so I can see it, and also down here in the bottom left hand corner I can drag this back before the revolve took place. So now if I go to here and I look at it on the front, there's my sketch. Now I want to make a slight alteration to this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and add a circle. No, a circle, there we go. Put a circle there. We must select the sketch, so we're adding it to the sketch, and let's give this a try. Let's see if we can make a circle on top there. That looks kind of nice. Stop sketching, and now we can choose that piece, hold the shift key down, that piece and that piece, and do the revolve. So create, revolve. So I've got my 3 profiles selected. Now I'm going to select my axis, so on there, and there we go. So it hasn't included this bit even though the sketch is there. OK that, and there we have it.